Want to turn your Prezi presentation into a video? Here's how. Click the arrow next to the Present button in the top right corner and select Record as a Video. Choose how you want to appear, either next to your content with the background removed, or just add voiceover narration. If you're appearing on camera, allow camera access when prompted. Your background will automatically disappear, putting you right alongside your content. Adjust your frames so nothing covers your face while presenting. Use Detach Content from Frame to resize objects and move elements around to create space for yourself on screen. Don't forget to add presenter notes to help you stay on track while recording. Ready? Hit record and present through your frames. Use the keyboard shortcuts to switch between different views as you go. When you're done, trim your video, add a title, and save it. Share it as a link or download it as an MP4. Want a pro tip? Download the Prezi Video desktop app from your dashboard and record your video in HD without time limits. Or go live with your presentation on Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. That's it! Now go create something amazing with Prezi Present and Prezi Video.